Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to control the volume with your Tagry wireless earbuds. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Tagry wireless earbuds. How do you actually go ahead and control the volume? Now before we get started, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that you want to make sure that your Tagry headphones are already connected to a device. Now here we have the right earbud and here we have the left earbud. Over here is like the touch sensor. Now the right earbud will actually increase the volume and then the left earbud will actually decrease the volume. So right now it should be connected to my iPhone, but you can see it if I press and hold right over here, look what happens to my iPhone. You'll see that the volume now starts to increase. So as long as you hold down right over here, over the sensor, it is going to increase your volume. Now here we have the left earbud. If you press and hold the left earbud, like here, you'll see that it now decreases the volume as long as you hold down the left side of your ear. So holding down the right side of your earbud and holding down the left side. So I'm actually holding right here in order to decrease the volume. Let's see if it works again. So you'll see that if you hold the right earbud, it increases the volume, and there is a slight delay to actually increase your volume. So right now I'm holding the right side. And if you hold down the left side, it's actually going to decrease your volume as shown here. So you do need to make sure that your finger pads are covering the sensors on either earbud. So the right side is used to increase the volume and the left side is used to decrease the volume. If you want to go ahead and pause or play a song, you just need to tap it once on either earbud and it'll actually pause or play the song. Now, if you want to double skip into the next song, you just double tap the right earbud. And then if you want to skip backward to the previous song, you just double tap the left earbud. But I hope that helps you out, guys, as far as how to control the volume on your Tagry wireless earbuds. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.